Hey guys, so I've decided to upgrade my YouTube setup on a budget in 2026. That's why I got myself this used Rode PodMic to see if there's any real difference in the audio. Let's unbox it, check the condition and do a quick before and after test. Alright, here it is. I have bought this one for 60 euros combined with the Rode PSA-1 arm. The box feels very heavy, so let's check the inside. The mic is very heavy. It looks like new without any scratches or dents. So guys, let's test the mic together and see if there's actually any real improvement in the audio. Currently I'm recording with a Rode Wireless Go mics, which are borrowed from a friend, and I have attached a lavalier mic to it. And now I'm switching to the PodMic. Okay, so this is me talking into the PodMic now. I think it sounds a lot warmer and there's way less echo, which is quite important for me as I am sitting and recording in my office and not some fancy studio. So yeah, for that amount of money, I think this is a huge upgrade. Here's how it sounds if I move a little bit closer. Test 1, 2, 3. And if I move a little bit further, test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. For this amount of money, I think this is quite an upgrade, honestly. Warmer sound, way less echo in my office, feels like a proper pro setup without spending some crazy cash. If you are on a budget and want a better audio, grab the used set like this. Check the condition, but yeah, I think it's worth it. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked the video, share, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.